Sixth problem. Show that the following points form a equilateral triangle: A 0, 0, B minus a, 0, C 0, a root 3. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Three sides: AB, BC, AC. AB equal to BC equal to AC. AB means the distance of AB. BC means the distance of BC. AC means the distance of AC. All sides are equal. First, the distance of points A, capital A, small a, 0. Here, small a, 0. B minus a, 0 is, here take x1, y1. Here take x2, y2 is, first formula, AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus a minus x1 a, this is the a, minus a whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 0 whole square, minus a minus 2a minus 2a whole square plus 0 minus 0 0 0 square minus whole square plus 2 square 4 a square whole square, this is the whole square, 2 square minus square plus minus and minus plus 2 times 2 square 4 a square 4 a square, root 4 value 2. Here remaining root of a square, square root cancel 2, square root cancel 2 a be complete. BC, the distance of points B minus a, 0 and C 0, a root 3. This is the a root 3 is, this is the take, this is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, y2. BC equal to right formula, x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BC equal to square root of x2 0 minus x1 minus a, minus of minus a, take small bracket, small minus of minus a, next whole square plus y2 a root 3 minus y1 0 whole square. Here 0 minus of minus a plus a, this is the minus of minus a, this is the plus a, this is the plus a, 0 plus a square plus a root 3 minus 0 a root 3 whole square. Here a square root 3 whole square, square root cancel, root of a square plus, here 3 a square, here 1a square, a square means 1a square, 3a square plus 1a square, total 4a square, root 4 value 2, root of square root cancel, remain 2a. The distance between points A, C, here x1, y1, here x2, y2 is AC equal to right formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 7 whole square, x2 0 minus x1 a whole square plus y2 a root 3 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus a whole square, minus a whole square, that equal to minus even is power is even plus a square, a root 3 minus 0 a root 3 a root 3 whole square, here a square root 3 whole square, square root cancel, a square plus 3a square, here 1a square total 3a square plus 1a square, 4a square, root 4 value 2, root of a square root cancel 2a. Here AB equal to BC, AB to A, BC to A, AC to A. So the given points form an equilateral triangle.